Alright guys, this is gonna be a crazy start video. We got birds literally all over us, thousands of them. We're running late, we're all set up. We got 2 guys up behind us up this bank on the field. And there's gonna be 3 of us down here on this creek. Ducks f***ing everywhere. It is shooting light, so look at these. Holy shit, Charlie. This is gonna be crazy, guys. I'm not sure how the footage is gonna be for this video, but look at above us. These are new birds. I'll explain more later. I'm gonna try to get set up. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can today and not shoot, but it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be tempting not to. So hopefully these big flocks kind of get out of the way and we get these small groups in. But stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a crazy one. Yeah, John, you could have shot that one. Yeah, coming back. Hold on, let him work one more time. Other bonus birds. Here, right here, right here, right here. You see that single mallard drake? If you can shoot it, shoot it. No. Wait, just wait, just wait. Don't shoot now, don't shoot now. Right here, shoot that drake. There you go. That's gonna hit them.
Like literally hit them. I was not expecting left.
All right, guys, this is chaotic. I feel like I'm hitting decent.
Come up here. Come up here.
Hide's kind of weird. It's like good enough, but there's just so many birds. It's still dark, so I think we should be fine now. But the guys above us are shooting quite a bit too. Oh, here. Oh, what are those? Those were not mallards. All right, guys, we're trying to get situated here. I think this is crazy. This is freaking crazy. 1 mallard drake down for us 3. Here, right, setting up. Shoot him. Nice. Nice.
Smoked that one. That was awesome.
I don't know if you guys can see that. I should have been zoomed in more, but the guys behind us smoked that bird.
Good girl. Good dog.
Maybe. John gets first shot. If he gets a chance.
See, they just want to do that open eye.
But we're picking off Drake Mallard, so I can't complain. We've only been here for 10 minutes, so stay tuned, guys.
Let's give it.
Oh, my feathers. Oh, my feathers. I just got rained on. Good shot, boys. Literally, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It was just like poof. They got in my mouth.
Good dog. Goose, come here.
Goose, like, am I a good dog?
Come here, Goose. Yeah, he'll go crazy. Yeah. Come here, Goose. Come on. Come on, get up here. Hey, come here.
Was it dead? Nice. Right above us. Probably going to them, though. They're probably going to shoot those ones. Yeah, there's 2 just flew right over them. That one, I was watching that through the camera and I was way further away than I thought it was. No, he was like 15 yards.
Oh, you got that one with that second.
That one, literally I hit the record button when you guys shot. Oh, I turned him like a freaking dime. Get ready. That's a tough shot up the ass.
Should be, I want to be shooting the other one.
Right here. Man, why aren't they shooting those? They had to have been able to grab them. Oh, there's one right there. They got one at least. They're ducking for the pile. We are stacking them up. Yeah. What? Did it land? I can't see him. Can you see him? He's gotta be on that left side of the bank. I can't see him. Well, you might see. Oh, shit. Ooh, they saw us. They saw one of us. Maybe it is the shells.
Cedar, no, come here.
Sorry about that last shot. I was kind of had to duck and cover because birds are working, but just to give you guys a little what we're working with here. This is all duck tracks, all of it. Look at the tracks in the, there's even duck shit up where I'm sitting. All of that is just solid duck tracks, all the way down, all the way as far as that goes.
Good dog. I'm looking left. I don't even see it. Look at it, Goose. Get it. Get that bird. Get that bird.
Is it just constantly recording, or do I have to record?
No, it's a little button by your thumb though.
It says record on the screen.
Well, yes, that is recording.
Pintail, pintail, pintail. Kill him. Jay!
That's a duck, but we got it.
Cedar. Cedar. Hey. Yeah, shoot it. Okay, don't shoot it.
We've been doing so good so far. Keep that one going.
First one was behind it.
Dead bird, Cedar.
Well guys, Blaine, our filmer, has to go to college, do the Zoom class, so I'm going to film John. John's going to use my gun. His gun has been acting up all morning, so Yeah, we're getting pretty close. Though we have a bunch of birds dead, so keep shooting. We're gonna get a count and then get back to the action. Get ready, shoot this bird. You probably couldn't see him coming, could you?
No, I can't see nothing.
Yeah.
Until they're right here.
Oops. Nice. Oh, that one came out of nowhere.
We messed up. We should have been up on this bank.
Oh yeah?
Right on top of the trees. Right there, get it, guys. Son of a gun.
Goosey, goosey, goosey. So guys, we made a couple moves. I'm trying to film, but it's been tough. The birds definitely want the wind. I didn't even think to look at the wind last night on the weather app, which was probably stupid of me. My bad. Although I don't think it would have made too much difference because we had to walk all our stuff in. So, but the birds are going about 150 yards down creek where they'd be protected from the wind. They were here yesterday. So a lot of the birds are just circling over, getting kind of half-assed pass shots. We're still shooting some birds and stuff like that. We've had an awesome morning, but filming is kind of sucky now because he's way up there shooting. I'm down here filming, and it's hard for my hands freezing. It's like 18 degrees or 15 degrees. It's supposed to be warmer today, but it's supposed to be clear and sunny. And it's supposed to warm up quick, but that's not happening. So get what I can for you guys, but yeah, the footage has been rough though. This last little bit, it just hasn't been good shots. They've just been like 30, 40 yard, fly over pass shots as they're trying to work their side of the creek. So hopefully things change. There's actually 3 ducks working above us, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we're all done and picked up. We camera battery got all frozen and the birds weren't really working too good anyway. We did shoot a couple more. Snow goose the guys shot up in the field this morning, but here's the birds. All Drake mallards. So thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.